Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to borrow games on Steam. So the first step is to enable some settings. So let's say I want to borrow to my friends some of these games on my library on this account from this account. So on this account I'll have to go to the preferences tab, and then I'll have to go to family here, and then I'll have to enable authorized library sharing on this device. So I'll have to enable this, and then basically, as you can see, eligible accounts, I'll have to enable the accounts that shows here. Now if you don't see any account here, you'll have to log out from this account and then log into the account that you want to borrow games. Then after you log into that account, immediately log out and then log in back to this, and then make sure to check this box here. Now what you'll have to do is simply log out from this account and then log into the other account, and then from that account you'll have to go to the library and you'll be able to see the games from the previous account. And then here you'll see a borrow game button, blue button. Simply click on that and that's all. It's a bit confusing, but it's easy to do so. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.